BabyBus.
Click here to subscribe.
Hello, everyone. Watch me. Let's go patrol the street.
Monster police cars patrolling the street, keeping people safe. He's so brave.
Round and round, my big wheels are rolling. Vroom, 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 vroom. Let's go!
All the cars are following the traffic rules.
Monster police cars patrolling the street, keeping people safe. He's so brave.
Running in the street, it's dangerous. Please get out of the street. Go, go, go!
You should use the sidewalk.
Yes, sir! Monster police cars patrolling the street, keeping people safe. He's so brave.
Cycling in the street, it's dangerous. Please get out of the street. Go, go, go!
You should ride a bike only in a safe place.
Yes, sir!
Monster police cars patrolling the street, keeping people safe. He's so brave.
Jaywalking in the street, it's dangerous. Please get out of the street. Go, go, go!
You should use a crosswalk when you cross the street.
Yes, sir! Monster police cars patrolling the street, keeping people safe. He's so brave.
Round and round, my big wheels are rolling. Vroom, 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 vroom. Let's go!
Mr. Turtle, don't worry. I'll cross the street with you.
Thank you so much.
Not at all. I'm just doing my job.
You're doing great, Monster Police Car.
Thank you. Everyone's safe now. I'm so happy. I'm gonna keep patrolling. Bye-bye.
How sweet! I love lollipops. I'll share some with Timmy. Oh no! My lollipops! Someone stole my lollipops.
Hey, thief! Stop!
Here comes police car chasing the thief.
I have a flat tire, what do I do?
Here comes work bus with many tools.
Help me fix my car.
No problem. Check the flat tire. Let me use my wrench. Change it with a brand new one. Haha, it's done.
The bad thief, he stole the lollipops.
I can't find him, what do I do?
Here comes Helibus flying in the sky. Help me find the bad thief.
No problem. Take a look on the left, take a look on the right. Look up, look down, and look all around. Haha! I found him. The bad thief, he stole the lollipops.
I can't catch him, what do I do?
Helibus and work bus, please.
Help me catch the thief.
No problem. One on his left, one on his right, one in front of him and one behind.
Haha! I got you, thief. These are mine. is he taking us to? Oh. The door is open! That hurts! The truck! What should we do? Truck! Oh no! Wait for us! Huh? Look! There's another truck! Let's take that truck and go home! Alright, let's go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Halt! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. March! 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 little hamburgers. 1, 2, 1, 2, marching on the street. Suddenly one of them stops and says, "What is that? What is that? Watch out, everyone!" One little hamburger says, "Oh my goodness!" One little hamburger says, "Help me!" One little hamburger says, "I'm so scared!" One little hamburger says, "Run away!" 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 little hamburgers. 1, 2, 1, 2, marching on the street. Suddenly one of them stops and says, "What is that? What is that? Oh yeah! Let's use the crosswalk." 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Halt! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. March! 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 little hamburgers. 1, 2, 1, 2, marching on the street. Suddenly one of them stops and says, "What is that? What is that? Watch out, everyone!" One little hamburger says, "Oh my goodness!" One little hamburger says, "Help me!" One little hamburger says, "I'm so scared!" One little hamburger says, "Run away!" Someone's coming! Someone's coming! Mr. Doll said one box of hamburgers was missing, and I think this is it. Let me take them back. Now we're safe! Click on like if you like this video. Huh? Mom, what's happening?
It's an earthquake! Mimi, Timmy, come here! Do you know what to do during an earthquake?
Yes!
Big earthquake, shaking, shaking, big earthquake, dangerous, shaking, shaking, dangerous, dangerous.
Stay calm, please. Hide somewhere and crouch down. Hold on tight with your hands. You must do this to be safe. To be safe.
Big earthquake, shaking, shaking, big earthquake, dangerous, shaking, shaking, dangerous, dangerous.
Stay calm, please. Careful of windows and shelves. Please stay in a safe place. You must do this to be safe. To be safe.
Big earthquake, shaking, shaking, big earthquake, dangerous, shaking, shaking, dangerous, dangerous.
Stay calm, please. Wait until the shaking stops. Do not use the elevator. You must do this to be safe. To be safe.
Big earthquake, shaking, shaking, big earthquake, dangerous, shaking, shaking, dangerous, dangerous.
Stay calm, please. You don't need to cry and shout. Just wait for help to come. You must do this to be safe. To be safe. Please be safe. Please be safe.
Is everyone okay?
Thank you, firefighter elephant.
You're welcome. You did a great job today.
When there's an earthquake, we need to protect ourselves.
You're right.
Kiki, we need to hurry.
Oh my, we got stuck in the mud!
Help! We need some help.
Monster Car Rescue Team, we need your help!
Okay, we'll be right there. Monster Car Rescue Team, go! I have a big cargo bed. I am Monster Truck. I put out fires with my hose. I'm Monster Fire Truck. Let's go! Turning the big wheels, vroom vroom, go, go! Monster Car Rescue Team. We're the bravest rescue team. I am powerful, I'm so strong. I'm Monster Tow Truck.
I help people who get hurt. I'm Monster Ambulance. Let's go!
Turning the big wheels, vroom vroom, go, go! Monster Car Rescue Team. We're the bravest rescue team. Turning the big wheels, vroom vroom, go, go! Monster Car Rescue Team. We're the bravest rescue team.
Let's go!
Wow, Monster Car Rescue Team.
Oh, there goes the siren again. Monster Car Rescue Team, go!
Come and catch us.
My arm!
My leg. What should I do? Medical rescue team, please come help us.
Medical Rescue Team, someone is hurt. Let's go now!
Hurry!
Get the tools and get in the ambulance. Let's go now!
Speed up.
Medical Rescue Team, fast and brave. Little doctor,
Little nurse,
let's go!
we're the medical rescue team. Great, the rescue team is here.
Let me check your heartbeat first. It's alright.
Don't worry!
Taking out a bandage from the kit, I'll wrap your leg.
It's done.
Medical Rescue Team, fast and brave.
Little doctor,
Little nurse,
let's go!
we're the medical rescue team. He needs your help too.
Let me check your heartbeat first. It's alright.
don't worry!
Taking out a bandage from the kit, I'll wrap your arm.
It's done.
Medical Rescue Team, fast and brave.
Little doctor,
Little nurse,
let's go!
we're the medical rescue team. Medical rescue
doing our job.
There is nothing I can't do because I'm a brave monster police car. Haha! Let's go out on patrol! Monster police car, monster police car. I am police car, how can I help you? A traffic jam here. Let me handle it. There's nothing I can't do. I'm a brave monster police car. Monster police car, monster police car. I am police car, how can I help you? A broken car there. Let me call for help. There's nothing I can't do. I'm a brave monster police car. Monster police car, monster police car. I am police car, how can I help you? Up and in there.
No, that's my candy.
Let me go get him. Run and run and run and run, chase the thief. Run and run and run and run, run faster. Run and run and run and run, chase the thief. Run and run and run and run, run faster. Chase the thief. Run and run and run and run, I got you. There's nothing I can't do. I'm a brave monster police car. Mew Mew, here's your candy.
You brought back my candy. Thank you, monster police car.
You're welcome. It's my job.
Elevator, elevator. It's here. What's this?
Oh, it's broken.
We have to go up to the 6th floor. What should we do? It's so high.
I don't want to walk up the stairs.
Don't worry, Mimi. There are stairs that move by themselves. Do you know what it is?
Stairs that move by themselves? I know! It's an escalator!
You are right.
Escalator! Escalator!
Let's take the escalator.
Okay! A long escalator in the shopping mall.
So busy going up and down,
Holding Mom's hand tight and stand in a line. Please keep standing in the safety line.
Please don't run, please don't jump. Be careful when you take the escalator. A long escalator.
In the shopping mall. So busy going up and down.
Holding Mom's hand tight and stand in a line. Please keep standing in the safety line. Please don't run, please don't jump. Be careful when you take the escalator.
Mom, I want some toys.
a long escalator in the shopping mall.
So busy going up and down.
Holding Mom's hand tight and stand in a line. Please keep standing in the safety line.
Please don't run. Please don't jump.
Be careful when you take the escalator.
Kiki and Mew Mew, let's go have some donuts.
Great! I love donuts!
Me too.
Huh? Oh, one of the donuts is missing.
Huh? There are many footprints here.
Oh, and look! There are crumbs here too. Someone must have stolen it.
Let's become little detectives and find out who took it.
Okay.
BabyBus, change into little detectives.
One of the donuts on the tray is missing. Who took the donut from the donut tray? Was it you?
Not me.
Then who? I'm a little detective.
I'll find out who took the donut.
Putting on a hat, I'm a detective. Take a close look to find clues here. Magnifying glass, help me look around. Look here and look there, oh what is this? I found some clues with my magnifying glass. Step by step, let's follow them, oh I got you. One of the donuts on the tray is missing. Who took the donut from the donut tray? Was it you?
Not me.
Then who?
Let's search the garden now. Putting on a hat, I'm a detective. Take a close look to find clues here. Hey, telescope, help me look around. Look here and look there, oh, what is this?
I found some clues with my telescope.
Step by step, let's follow them, oh, I got you. One of the donuts on the tray is missing. Who took the donut from the donut tray? Was it you?
Was it me?
Yes, you!
I did take a donut from the tray. How did you find out that it was me?
We found so many clues around here.
That's how we found you.
Wow, you're great little detectives.
Wow!
Great! Yeah! It smells great. It does? Oh, it's from the kitchen.
Watch out! It's really hot.
But we want to eat it now.
Sit and wait over there. I will bring it to you.
Yeah!
So hot and so tasty, corn soup for everyone. Be careful of the hot soup, be careful of the hot pot. Sit down now, just wait until Dad comes. Here you are, enjoy the tasty soup.
Before eating the soup, cool it down first. Cool it down. Ah.
Now, let's take a bath.
Loo la la loo la la loo la loo la loo. Let's play splashing, splashing. Let's play splashing, splashing. Blue is cold, cold side of the tap. Red is hot, so be careful not to touch. Loo la la loo la la loo la loo la loo. It's hot water, danger, danger. It's hot water, danger, danger. I got hurt, it's turning red. I'm so scared of hot water now.
It hurts, Dad. Timmy's got scalded.
You need cold water to cool it down.
Turn on the cold water.
Put your hands under it with cold water. Wash it in cold water. Soak it. Now find a clean towel to cover the scald. Don't cry. Be careful next time, please.
Mimi, Timmy, hot water's dangerous. Don't turn it on.
It's hot and dangerous. I won't do it again.
Hot, it's so hot. It's so hot. Be careful of the hot soup. Be careful of the hot water, please.
The tomato soup is hot. Be careful, please. Okay.
Mimi, Timmy, you're great.
My house is on fire. Come help me.
Okay, right away.
The fire truck has a new mission. E-I-E-I-O. Racing with the siren on. E-I-E-I-O. Make way on the left, make way on the right. Make way, I have to hurry. The fire truck has a new mission. E-I-E-I-O.
The fire truck with a long hose. E-I-E-I-O. Hurry to put out the fire. E-I-E-I-O. Spray water up here, spray water down there. Water up, water down, water everywhere. The fire truck with a long hose. E-I-E-I-O.
The forest is on fire. Many babies are in a tree. Please help them.
Okay, right away.
The fire truck has a new mission. E-I-E-I-O.
Racing with the siren on. E-I-E-I-O.
Make way on the left,
Make way on the right.
make way, I have to hurry. The fire truck has a new mission. E-I-E-I-O. The fire truck with a ladder. E-I-E-I-O.
Hurry to save friends in danger. E-I-E-I-O.
Checking things up here, checking things down there. Checking up, checking down, checking everywhere. The fire truck with a ladder. E-I-E-I-O. Let's play hide and seek. Okay. I'm really good at it. I'm better. You'll never find me. Never find.
Now go hide, everyone. I'll find you.
Let's all play hide and seek. Where can I hide? There's a space behind the door. Yeah, I will hide here.
No, 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 no. Stay away from there. If the door opens, ow, you will get hurt.
Let's all play hide and seek. Where can I hide? There are long curtains. Yeah, I will hide here.
No, 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 no. Stay away from there. If it winds around you, ow, you will get hurt.
Let's all play hide and seek. Where can I hide? Here's a large table. Yeah, I will hide here.
No, 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 no. Edges are pointy. If you are not careful, ow, you will get hurt.
Let's all play hide and seek. La 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 la. Hide in safe places. You will never get Kiki, are you okay?
My leg hurts so much.
What do we do?
We're deep in the forest. Ambulances won't make it here.
Look, Kiki, there's a railroad over there. We can call the train rescue team. I'm sure they can help us. This is Mew Mew. Kiki got hurt. Please come help us.
Got it. We'll be right there. Choo-choo. I turn on my siren. I'm Steam Train. Rescue team, all set. I lead my team with my big stack. I'm Steam Train. Let's go.
We are the train rescue team.
We are brave and powerful. When you're in danger, don't be afraid. Let's go. We're the train rescue team. Yeah.
Get on. I'll take you to the hospital.
I run faster than any other. I'm high-speed train. Let's go! Running like the wind, I fear nothing. I'm high-speed train. Watch me! We are the train rescue team. We are brave and powerful. When you're in danger, don't be afraid. Let's go! We're the train rescue team. Yeah! We're almost there.
I have strong and powerful wheels. I'm electric train. We can handle any problem. Let's do it together. We're the train rescue team. We are brave and powerful. When you're in danger, don't be afraid. Let's go.
We're the train rescue team. Yeah! Train rescue team.
Train rescue team, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Train rescue team, brave and powerful.